Basically, as long as you're a Muslim, you're guaranteed paradise. You know, this is the same concept. Reality, of course, is that there are going to be many Muhammads and Fatimas in the hellfire forever. That's the reality. But in their minds, of course, this hadith, the Prophet ﷺ said, Man qala la ilaha illallah dakhal al-jannah. Whoever says la ilaha illallah will enter paradise. And they run with that. That's it. Khalas. I say la ilaha illallah, I'm going to paradise. But the point is that whenever we look at the statement of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, we have to look at it in the context of all of his statements on the subject, not just one. Because he said a number of things on various subjects. And when you look at all of them, they give you the full picture. So when you hear him say, for example, whoever dies, man mata wa huwa ya'lamu annahu la ilaha illallah dakhal al-jannah. Whoever dies knowing that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, will enter paradise. Another narration where he said, whoever meets Allah having no doubt in his heart about it will enter paradise. Whoever worshipped Allah, whoever says none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, sincerely from his heart, truthfully from his heart. So many other narrations which talk about this other factor, this thing of sincerity, that it be true, not just words said. Because what you're saying basically is that even, the biggest Christian missionary, all he has to do is say la ilaha illallah before he passes out and he's saved. Just in case. Right? For him it might be a just in case thing. Right? So he just says la ilaha illallah, dies. He's going to paradise. It doesn't work like that. So this is something that, Muslims have actually entered into this deviated concept of what constitutes belief, what constitutes being a Muslim, thinking that it's inherited. My parents were Muslims, so I am Muslim. Yeah, your parents were Pakistanis, so you're a Pakistani, or your parents were Egyptian, so you're Egyptian. You can inherit nationality. You can inherit property. You can inherit even names. But can you inherit Islam? Iman? You can't. This is a choice that each person has to make themselves. If they don't make the choice, then they externally do all the actions. Then they fall under the statement of the Prophet ﷺ in Sahih Muslim, that there would be people who will do the deeds of the people of paradise, as it appears to public, but they will be from the people of hell. They will be from the people of hell. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to not make us among them, but among those who have truly believed and will die on that faith. Okay, we'll stop our session here now. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.